Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to do weekly analysis. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, yes, let's see our Nifty chart in the daily time frame. And if you see this, just avoid the lines. Just let me also remove this. And if you see the structure here, let me zoom out and you can clearly see from here on we have seen a very good strength, and at this point you can see exactly from where recently we got rejected in the Nifty. If you watch these areas, it's like a here the structure is changed. Now it's lower lows and lower highs are forming. And if you closely observe here, in last 2 days, if you watch out last 2 days candles, we got a big wick on the top, so which shows a negative sentiment. But yes, there are also some advanced technical levels which we have found, and which I am taking reference for my next week trading. So I will also going to discuss with that. So let me open and discuss now. So if you see what my expectation for coming week or like coming few sessions, what I am expecting and how I gonna to plan my personal trades, I gonna to discuss here. So if you see, I have pointed some labels here. If you clearly see, I have plotted red color as well as green color levels. So what my expectation is, I am expecting market to be stay in between this 13 points range, that is from 19,627 to 19,940 ranges. This particular range I gonna to watch out for coming week. So in this, if I talk in short, from 19,876.25 to 19,940, at these ranges I would give some little importance to the supply or like short signals. And coming to 19,627 to 19,731, in these levels I would give importance to my long signals or long setups. If I get wrong at these stages, it's very like if I get wrong, then I will not affect, because see, the plans, the trades which I gonna to plan according to my risk management. The most important thing, I am repeating continuously in my channel, but still I want to repeat, that is, trading is always about probability, and it's like lot of other factors which are not in our hand affects the trading or like stock market. So the things which we have in our hands is like position sizing and the risk management. So make sure you work on that, and that's going to give you the results for sure. And yes, coming to these ranges, what if this ranges gets failed? Yes, there is obvious probability I may also get wrong, and these levels may also get breached out. So that happened in previously also, that might have happened in the future also. But coming to the industry standards, our accuracy, I feel a little bit better. For now, if you see, if this breaches out, and especially for 20,222, that is this swing high, okay, this swing high, and from these ranges I would be very cautious, and I would like see, I would discuss this in the daily analysis by how this is breaching out. Like if this level breaches out, then further price action or the further movement I would discuss at the time. But still, if I want to say anything in these areas, then I would reduce my position sizing in these ranges, in this particular ranges from 19940 to 20,222. I would reduce my position sizing, and I would wait for any clear structural directional move. So now what happened if this levels breach out, then obviously I will uh, change my view to bearish for short term, and below levels I would, yes, I would share, and I would share my trade plan once that level breaches out. But as of now, in coming week, I am not expecting breaking of these levels. But if happens anything, then updates you will get at this area. So this is very important to follow, because all the updates usually I share here. And you can see bank nifty currently in sideways and tight consolidation, all the updates we usually share here. And one more important thing, we also take live here in the Telegram channel itself. If you are interested to join, then this is the one quick intermediate between you and me. So make sure you stay in this channel. And yes, let's go back to bank nifty. Now here's one important thing. If I share about bank nifty, let me open the bank nifty. So I have tried a lot to find something in this bank nifty, but to be frank, I did not see any strong zones in this bank nifty. And if you find any, let me know in the comment section. But according to my analysis and my setup, I do not have any specific demand or supply ranges or anything I am expecting in bank nifty. But yes, if you observe, I already shared you the news as well. And even RBI update, I said that it's positive for long term. We'll also discuss this in this video, because as I said, we will discuss in the weekly analysis. So if you see, first of all, you go through this list. Okay, this list which I updated you in the Telegram channel in the morning itself. So if you see, these are some banks which banks and NBFCs which you should watch out. Because in short, if I want to explain you, let's say what is unsecured loan. Like secured loan and unsecured loan, most of you are familiar with that. But still, if you are not, see, we have secured loans and unsecured loan. We speak about unsecured loan. Secured loan, you already know, one bank is providing or NBFC is providing a loan with some surety or security. Okay, that is called security loan. Unsecured loan, like personal loans, credit card loans. So for these loans, what previously used to happen, previously, let's say 100 rupees is a NBFC or bank is lending you, sorry, bank is providing you. So this, from in this 100 rupees, RBI used to say, previously RBI used to say, you can lend 92 rupees from any other bank or any other source. Like in any other source, you can lend or you can borrow this 92 rupees and you can give to the customer. But remaining 8%, you should bring that from your capital. Capital, in the sense, you can see, it's the revenue should be from their end. But now what RBI is saying, it is increasing this 100% to 125%, which means now banks can only get 90 rupees from the other sources, from lending from other NBFCs or from banks or anything. You can fill wagera wagera. And now they should get this not 8% from their capital, they should get 10% now. They should add 10% now. So yes, this gonna to definitely, for the short term, it's gonna to affect on the margins and the profitability of the banks and as well as NBFCs. For the clear information, for more in detail information, I would suggest you to go with this list. This list gonna to help you out. So now what we can expect in the coming session. So especially I am expecting some more little bit correction in the bank nifty. And yes, for definitely I have given you two levels here. You can see here 43,112 and 42,391. These are the levels I going to watch out. Like if fall is coming, if bank nifty is showing weakness, then I would be interested to see at these zones how it is reacting and what sort of price action it is making. So as I said, I did not get any solid levels in the bank nifty. So I am completely will see how the further price action makes, and if I get any level, as you all know, I will just update in the telegram channel. So now after that, let's discuss about our levels which we shared day before yesterday as on Thursday in daily analysis video, and you can watch that video here. You can watch this video, how I shared the levels and what we have shared, and in this I especially avoided this, and I explained everything in the our special DTD. So this is the playlist. If you have not yet watched, then I explained you why I avoided that bullish move. You will come to know. So now after this, I have traded it here, and I have captured this fall. And let me know how you use these labels, and did you learn anything from this? Let me know in the comment section. So this is about day before yesterday, the past. Okay, so now let's go to present levels. Okay, in the similar case, before that, let me show you US 100 level. There is also one good level in the US 100, which again adds a confusion to your entry. So now it's, if you see, it's almost near to the highs, and if you see this swing high, now we have to wait, and I have got some good level here. The 15,169 and 15,385 seems to be a good support. Probably it can act as a good support again. We have to watch on here. So if you combine all these things, then I formed it as it should be like sideways. Okay, sideways to volatile market, I should expect, uh, or rather I am expecting. So these are coming to the higher time frame levels. Now let's discuss about lower time frame level. So for this, let me open Nifty first. Okay, so Nifty, again I got some interesting levels. Let me switch to 10 minutes time frame, and in 10 minutes time frame, again you can see here I am watching about two levels here. So this is one level where you can see recently we got is demand from these ranges. Okay, from these ranges. So I am expecting again, if Nifty coming back to these ranges, we should get some demand from these areas. So if again Nifty coming back to these ranges, then I will be looking for some long signals. And if Nifty opens anything above higher, and if it touches this supply ranges 19,784 to 19,800, then I will be looking for some short positions, and I would give importance to the short positions. And again, a important disclaimer here, this is my personal trade plans, and you can watch out this, and if your analysis also supports, and you just consult your financial advisor before using that labels. And again I am repeating, it's completely purely for educational purpose. So what if again a doubt, what if this level breaches out? And here these are intraday levels, so my trade plan would be at these ranges and these ranges. In between this range I will not take any sort of trade, or else if I get a better confirmations from the other indices like bank nifty, or else if I see better price action, if I get, then I would scalp up to this blue line. But still 70 to 80% of chances I would avoid my trading in between of these ranges. And again, if it go above 19,873, then obviously you know what to do according to our important levels which we discussed in the higher time frame. So hope you understood. If market is in between, or rather Nifty is in between these zones, then I would give importance according to which ranges closely it is trading. Nearby these trades or these ranges, then I would give importance to the short, and near to these ranges I will give importance to my long positions. So this is my trade plan in the Nifty, and again coming back to Bank Nifty again, that's going to be a issue, because let me open the Bank Nifty here. So yes, Bank Nifty, and you can clearly see there is no levels. Yes guys, presently I am expecting a little bit of correction, that's for true. But if you see, I do not have any confident levels in this. So as I again said you, there is no levels from my end in the Bank Nifty. Yes, whatever price action it's making on the Monday, then I would see according to that, and I will update in the Telegram channel. That's the reason I am again and again pointing out Telegram channel, because that is the quickest mediator between you and me, and that is the platform, or like that is the stage where I can quickly give you some updates. So make sure you join the Telegram channel. And coming to one more segment I need to cover is macro events. So here, coming to next week, if you see, there are some macro events which you need to focus on. Yes, obviously we will also speak about this in the daily analysis video, but still, if I forgot that day, make sure you mark today itself. So Wednesday, November 22, 2023, FOMC minutes, as you all know, you are following me. If you are following me from few days, you would almost know what's going on with the FOMO minutes, and we will also discuss once this outcome comes. Okay, so this is something we need to see. And also month on month durable goods orders, yes, see, nowadays what happened, every data point is gonna plays a key role, because as much as the data points get strong, then the economy and the spending, everything seems to be strong, then obviously Fed have an option to increase the interest rate. So these are every data points we need to keep calculating. So obviously it is a good idea to also go with durable goods data to just watch, because 4.7 is the previous and forecast is minus 2.8. Let's see how it comes, and we will discuss in detail on that particular day. And I need a suggestion from you from here, because these are the macro events which I have already discussed, and remaining uh, I feel it's not necessary to track, but this Wednesday is very important and you need to track that. Mostly we have at the market hours itself. So if that's so, we will update. And coming to the one segment which from the next week in the weekly analysis, I interested to add the one more segment, that is FII and DII activity. So I gonna to take last 1 week data, and I gonna to also do some analysis on that, just like the what's pro is doing and what retail activities, what FIIs and DIS are doing, especially in cash, F&O and options. Like this takes this time, but I feel much helpful for the beginners and also intermediate. Experts already know that. So if you are okay with the length, see, already you know, if I speak about at present the length is high, even we are not discussing about FIA and DI, but still the video length seems to be long, for especially some people. So if you are okay with the length, and if you are not worrying about the length of the video, if you want me to include this FII and DI activity from the next weekly analysis, so let me know in the comment section. So if that's so, if I get good enough number of according to views, if I get good number of comments, then I will definitely start this FII and DIS at least on weekly basis, so that at least we know last 1 week what happened with these guys and what's the actual market sentiment is going on. So for this, in this video, at any part of the video, if you like my efforts, then don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe the Indus Trader YouTube channel, and the most important part, don't forget to join in the Telegram channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.